What got here today is this Hampitonbay graten. The Hampitonbay graten too. You see how the glow to change. What do you expect from a Hampitonbay graten too? I used to actually have one of these in one of the bedrooms. They were in the houses I lived in back in Sherman. Okay, well I found a switch for the fan. I had to pull the change. Oh, what is this saying? The light, of course. Light does work on the. Let's try the fan. If I had my choice, I would have put some kind of anti-vibration mount for the globe. That makes these fans so noisy along with my other fans. The globe vibrates against this bolt and it just makes it noisy. But if they were smart and used like rubber pushing pins or something of that sort, you really wouldn't have to worry about that now, would they? Oh, they wouldn't. Okay, I think help. There's a medium. You know, the Hampitonbay Lineage is not as bad as some people think they are. They're actually great little fans. It's already pushing quite a bit of air. Of course, to mind you, probably won't be hearing it in the microphone, but these little fans are not as bad as I say. Well, some YouTubers at least. Yeah, they're not. The only reason why they're noisy is because they're glowed. So if you remove the glow, the license would be completely silent. Oh, but the other Dutch bomb, I do see that. I do hope I realize that the motor does not really have a very big impact on its performance. I mean, yes, it's speed. You know what? You don't need a big motor to move air, okay? A small motor here does drop just fine. Not high. The list goes on. Don't forget the extras: umbrellas, fire pits, grills, and more. And you'll love our no interest financing. If it's for out there, it's in here for less at the Breast Furniture Mart. Oh, there. Skincare now becomes. Oh, here's high. Here's that air. Oh, we can't hear it, but. Yeah, here's the feel right there.
Can't afford to let heartburn get in the way? Try Nexium 24-hour. Now the #1 selling brand for frequent heartburn. Get complete protection with a new frequent heartburn. That's Nexium level protection. The CD double cash
It's broken.
with cashback twice on
Mm-hmm.
and again as you pay. That's cashback now.
They got us a herd of people.
It's cashback.
Visitors, probably.
The CD double cash card. The only card that lets you earn cashback twice on
Turn it off.
1% when you buy.
Yeah. You know what? Just because I'm nice, I do the spin down at this fan. You don't know, some people, for whatever reason, I do this one.
When I buy stuff for the family. Fingerhead. 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 At fingerhead.com, we got approved to shop with low monthly payments. Over 500,000 items from brands like Samsung, Lego, and Rachel Ray. Just click on over to fingerhead.com to get the credit you deserve and great stuff for your family. Oh, not Fingerhead. I got that at a garage sale.
The bacon-wrapped deep dish pizza is back at Little Caesars. And if you're wondering who would take it away in the first place, it was Chet Wallaby, Little Caesars' corporate scapegoat.
I, Chef Wallaby, acted alone to take away your 8 crispy caramelized corners of pizza wrapped in over 3.5 feet of bacon. I deeply regret this decision that I made entirely on my own.
The truth feels good, doesn't it, son? Think of a bacon-wrapped deep dish pizza for just $12. Only Little Caesars.
Wow, that fan spins forever, doesn't it? But people do that. Some people like their spin down, so I'm doing this to be nice. hear the TV really get you. That Hampitonbay graten is a very, that Hampitonbay graten, I would say, is probably like maybe 7 to 9 years old. Not all too old, but it's not super brand new. Okay, well, it's been now over. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and more to come.